They have a Twitch again. I could
There's
first
so
Twitch
many
try.
garbage civics though, man.
Yeah, I know.
5 seconds.
Pretty much all of them are garbage now.
I know, it's more, mine was garbage and I had it like 10 years ago.
Get ready to engage.
How long? 10.
Maybe even more. And it was garbage then. I paid like $1,000 for it.
I'm reloading.
Then I crashed it.
Pretty sure that's the same guy I just
Yeah,
spawn
right.
peeked.
Because it had the steering wheel the size of a fucking...
Oh wow.
I don't even know, it was like 30 mil. I mean, 300 mil. It's so hard to steer the thing. It's so tiny, the steering wheel.
Yeah, right.
But you get shot from salmon.
You tried to
I'm not
spawn
bad.
peek.
I got shot from... Where did I open a window? I was sitting next to the window. Piano?
Roof.
Yeah, you got shot from outside.
Stairs.
This one's a second owner. Just 217,000k second owner. The P player that has it, he's painted the bonnet black, but the car's red.
How much is the car?
4,300 I was gonna offer him 3.
Is it, what is it, a VTEC or not?
EGGLI. Wouldn't have a clue, I don't really care.
One
D16
thing.
engine.
No,
One-
that's what I had. It's a swing car.
No, it's not Carby.
He just went towards stairs
No,
down.
it's injected.
Mine was Carby.
No, it's definitely injected. It's got a fuel rail.
Oh.
Oh, what?
Twin cam, 16 valve.
Sledge downstairs, back tunnel.
I don't think we have VTEC, but
He's got shot now.
Reloading.
it looks pretty clean house. I'll show you a link.
So sledge was blue tunnel. Behind you, Kegel.
I just don't want another red fuck.
Op 4, last operator standing. Op 4 is defusing.
Damn it.
Upstairs.
Need to disable their diffuser. Friendly, last operator standing.
Where are they?
Upstairs.
Upstairs! Where I was killing all fucking 4 of them while you sat around on your ass downstairs.
Up and
It's
aim
Blackbeard,
left
so,
90 degrees. Window. Right, it's a Blackbeard. Right there. Left of where you just looked. In the doorway. Keep going
Left
left, left, there. Wall bang through the soft wall in front of you. Jump in, wall bang right. Oh,
Nice.
Defuse.
To your right.
You ran past it! Jesus. It like pinged before you started shooting at him.